Well, the other battery went flat on me. Seems to be my life story at the moment, and little Miss Maya is not venturing very far at all. She's kind of sticking very close, and my legs are going numb, and my rib is not very comfortable either.
I can take it.
And I may have to break this video up into 2 parts. I get yabbering, guys, and I know I do. But I would also, at this particular point, I would like to say a huge thank you to everybody who has recently subscribed to my channel. And I want to say a hello to Jay's Balls, and if you haven't been to Jay's channel and checked him out, I would hope that you would. He has a beautiful carpet python, jungle carpet python by the name of Mojo. He's 12 years old, and he is, I don't know the words.
Is the snake 12-year-old?
Yeah. And Mojo is incredible, just incredible, and the epitome of what I know carpet pythons to be. You know, he's a big boy, he's an older boy, and I've fallen so in love with him. It's incredible, and I feel and felt instant connection to Mojo when I saw him, and I said to Jay, he's a cruisy, easygoing guy, because Jay had only just got him and really didn't know him. But the moment I saw him and watched him, I knew that is exactly what he was like. And Jay, when he got him out and was handling him for the first time, I think realised what an amazing snake he was, and just adores him. And he's so glad that he got a carpet python. Talking about getting one, you know, this is what I'm saying. So go check out Jay's Balls. He hasn't just got carpet pythons, of course, with Jay's Balls. You know, he's got ball pythons as well. So go check out his channel, guys, and say hello to him. Really, really nice guy. I also want to say a big thank you to the Genetic Hunters, who are recent subscribers to my channel. Amazing guys that are here for the community and to support the community and bringing the community together. That is what they're doing. So positive, so outgoing. It's a real pleasure to watch their channel and their videos. I have subscribed to many within the reptile community that I've been introduced to by the Genetic Hunters. Some don't have channels, such as Sergio, who is a recent subscriber. Great guy, a great supporter. Gregory, you as well, have been just great in supporting my channel. And Gregory hasn't got a channel yet, but that doesn't mean that they're as much a part of our community as anybody is out there. Draco Tees has tarantulas, so if you're into tarantulas or spiders, please go and check out Draco's channel. I'm trying to think of people here. You know, I have Jimmy, Metal Hammer Jimmy, who has always been there for me and my channel, and a nice guy, a really nice guy. No, he doesn't have a channel, but he has 2 young coastal carpet pythons, so we have very much a lot in common. Absolutely loves his snakes, of course. I have Joe, who is, oh, you're going to kill me, Joe, Diver. Oh my goodness, Joe is going to kill me, I know. I am getting old, and I'm embarrassed sometimes for the fact that I can never remember everybody's names, but he does have a channel and he does do videos, and I will put Joe's link down below because, yeah, like I said, Joe, forgive me, please forgive me. And his wife Carolyn, who comes from here, pretty much 20 minutes up the road. Carolyn lived and grew up and met Joe and married him, and now lives over there in the States with Joe. Florida. Now you know, there you go, I remembered now, because they live in Florida and his name is Florida Diver. Well, that was a save gay. But yep, Joe and Carolyn are great supporters. Azzy and Squeezy, Love Diary. Azzy has a beautiful red-tail boa. Please go and check out Azzy's channel. Adores her girl and takes beautiful care of her, and she's one big girl. She's one spoilt red-tail boa. Azzy's a great believer in giving snakes a lot of enrichment, getting them outside in the sunshine, and giving them their space. And I love her dearly. She has become a wonderful friend to me as well. There's SVAP, just a young guy starting out with snakes, and I got to meet both Metal Hammer Jimmy and SVAP at the show here in Brisbane. SVAP has a jungle carpet python, and see, I said that slowly because am I right there? But he does. Loves him too. Amigo is his little guy's name, and he's thinking about getting another one, but a jungle jag. I think it's going to be a jungle jag, and I wish him all the best with getting another one. Very addictive are our snakes for sure. Oh my goodness. And these are just people that are reptile orientated. Not, I have so many supporters that don't have snakes. They're just a few that do, and I feel like I'm missing some very important people that I have got to know at this particular point, who have been subscribed to me, or beside, not saying beside, because I have Carla from One Soft Kiss, who, most of you would know. If you don't, where have you been? Basically, an amazing lady, and we think very much alike. when it comes to our snakes, and often she'll put up a video and I'm putting up one virtually about the same thing, but amazing lady with her snakes. So if you would like, I would love you to go and check out One Soft Kiss. She's been doing this for many, many years and has lots of experience when it comes to the knowledge of snakes and all sorts. She has a lot and getting more in her life at the moment. I don't know how she does it. I'm pretty run off my feet with who I have, and she has double or more than me. So, you know, Sarah Thompson as well. She's only just started to put some videos up, and I don't know if you can actually see Jack in there at the moment in the shade, but yeah, just started doing videos. She has a few snakes herself, some carpets, some children's, and so on. I would love you to go and check out Sarah's channel as well. And there's little Maya's little periscope. Bless her. She may only be little, but she can periscope with the best of them. She looks just beautiful in the sun. Her iridescents are amazing in the sunshine. But yeah, that's just to name a few, guys. I know there's so many more, and I really do not mean to miss anybody. You know, Jay from Boxing Boa, John Feely, oh my goodness, LKB, and these are people, really, some of these people I'm only just getting to know. Would you believe after, I guess 18 months or 16 months of being on YouTube, and I know a lot of them are only new themselves, but it's been wonderful, and I'm enjoying watching everybody's videos, but I'm enjoying getting, bless her. Hello, darling. Hello, sweetie. Are you having a look around? Hey? You having a good look around? It's good fun, isn't it? That is just too cute, guys. Really too cute. If you could see the smile on my face. This is what I mean, guys. You know, they make me smile. This is my life. You know, it's a big part of my life. It's 80% of my life. Now that really my own children have grown up and left home, because, you know, I have my grandchildren who I love dearly and spend a lot of time with, as you know. Noah is here a real lot with me, especially on the weekends. My other two boys who I care for are away on respite, so this is my time out, and I savour every minute of my time out, and this is when I can get outside and I'm not worried about children, I guess, and what might be going on for them. So I apologise to anybody who I haven't mentioned. right at this particular point, but I did want to mention all those people today while I'm out with two of my snakes. So I'm going to end it here because I am going to have to do 2 videos, of course. So, thanks guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I enjoy doing them for you all. But take care of yourself and your family, your snakes. If I'm on my snake at all, here I am now. All your animals. And ciao.